Hello friends, I'm in Kanadu, Katan, in a place called the Lotus Palace. This is a heritage property which has been converted into a hotel, and I am in the room currently. We just arrived, in this video I will give you the room tour of this room in which we are staying in. So to start with, this is the room entrance through which we entered, and once we enter there is this mirror with a wardrobe here. It's a full length oval shaped mirror, very beautiful. There is this wardrobe, there is a locker inside and some drawer with a laundry bag and room footwear and towels. And this is the beverages station. Everything looks very pretty. You can see the prices mentioned for the mini bar. There's chocolate wafers, potato wafers, chocolate aerated beverages, cashew nuts, almond, goli soda, Lavazza coffee capsule, Vedika water bottle, and how to brew a perfect brew. Instructions are given here. Here are the goodies. Some cups and a typical Dabra tumbler, 2 glasses, and here is the coffee machine, a small coffee machine, and a water bottle, kettle, and in this beautiful tray there are the coffee capsules here and the required sugar free and other things. And if we come here, there is this drawer which is empty, and here is the mini bar. There's a chocolate, some cold drinks, and on this side is the bathroom. We'll come to the bathroom towards the end. Here is the one more full length mirror. That's the place where you can keep the luggage. This is the place. This is made with black granite. The table is made of wood, and this side is a huge mirror where you can check yourself before stepping out if you are completely well dressed. And then once you enter, there are single seaters and a marble top coffee table. And this is a king size bed. Again, 2 side tables with marble top. See, all this is also vintage. The colors chosen are earthy colors like greens, browns, brick reds to give that earthy feel. And the erstwhile black and white painting, photograph at the back is kept here. Now coming to this side, this is TV you have, and this is also marble top and a rattan chair. You can see the vintage vase kept on top, and look at the ceiling. Along with the vintage looking lights, the ceiling is sloped and made of wood. So overall, all earthy colors, soothing earthy colors to give the vintage old time charm effect. Now let's get into the bathroom. It's a spacious bathroom. So here you can see there's a big mirror. It's a beautiful chandelier. This is how it looks. You can see the vintage taps. Traditional lota for instead of the regular glasses which you find in hotels. Face towels and all the shaving kit, shower cap, dental kit. See this? Everything seems to be in brass, giving the vintage vibes. This is the door. Even this is in brass. There is a phone next to the commode, and this is the shower partition. Even this, all in golden sheen. This thing is in wood. The door is also in wood. And look at the light. Very beautiful light. And if you come inside, the shower partition is big, and even this is in brass. You see this? This gives the British era. This is like the British era ceramic shower. Can you see this? And this is also made of brass, and to give the vintage effect, the green tiles seem to have been used, and the floor is granite, not tiles, granite style tiles. Looks very what to say, it looks very antique, and it has that old age charm to it. Hope you all like watching this video. Please keep watching my channel to see the whole of Lotus Palace tour in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.